At A Plus Landscaping, we get it. You have an amazing dream for the perfect outdoor space. The problem is knowing whom to trust to turn your dream into reality. At A Plus Landscaping, we have decades of experience creating exceptional outdoor living spaces. And our team of craftsmen love working with you to create exceptional spaces for you to enjoy. Our process is simple. Phase 1. Understanding your needs. Connect with one of our design professionals to share your big picture vision. Phase 2. Discuss and plan. We will meet to discuss the project details, your ideas, and available design options. Phase 3. Design, present, schedule. Once we've gathered all the information, we'll create drawings and 3D renderings with an estimate. Once our proposal is accepted, the permits are submitted and the job is scheduled. Phase 4. Build and transform. Our certified foremen and well-trained installers begin the building process, and your dream begins to take shape. Phase 5. Enjoy your outdoor living space. Kick back and have a good time with your family and friends. Our purpose is to bring people together outdoors to create memories that last a lifetime. Whether your dream is to create a simple patio with a fire pit, or a complete outdoor living space with a porch, deck, kitchen, pavilion, and lighting to entertain family and friends, we have the resources and skills to make your dream a reality. And we're committed to providing a 5-star experience from start to finish. And we stand by our work with a 5-year workmanship warranty. Call us today or view our project gallery at apluslandscaping.com.